Guys, hey, what's up you guys? It's Simon. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can probably tell by the title and the timer, to my left, is it my left? Maybe my left. Today we are going to be doing the 10-minute, 1-minute, and 10-second challenge. So I have done this before on my channel digitally, but I thought it would be a little bit funner to try and do it traditionally, just because I noticed when I filmed that video that it seems like I work faster traditionally, but I don't know. Something about this challenge is just, it's always different. When I try it, I always get varying degrees of, work finished, I guess you could say. So I thought it would be fun to try and do it traditionally on my channel and see how that goes. I am trying to save a little bit of time by having a predetermined color palette right here. So I'm going to be using these colors for all of the illustrations, and hopefully that will make it so that I can get color onto every single piece, but we shall see. So I'm just going to straight up get started. So this video is going to be a little bit different from the norm in that it's not going to be a voiceover, just because I find it really hard to do a voiceover for videos like these where it's more like reaction based, where you guys can see like sort of how I'm feeling real time. I just feel like it's very sort of odd to do a voiceover on top of, because you sort of forget like how you're feeling about certain things, and like I don't know how to describe it. So obviously there's gonna be a little bit of me fumbling over myself because I don't get redos in real life. So there's definitely gonna be a lot of awkwardness in this video, but I hope you guys enjoy it and see a little bit more of what I'm like when I am just working, I guess. I hope it's not boring. I also hope it's not very noisy and loud. I have a migraine because, if you guys didn't already know, I have an Etsy store and I am currently in the middle of making some clay pins, and I bought some E6000 glue, and Lord, why do all of the craft YouTubers praise E6000? It smells bad, it's leaky, and it's literally giving me such a headache, and it's making me super paranoid because I'm like a huge hypochondriac, and it's like, oh, well, like the vapors are toxic, so you should really be careful. So I didn't have a mask, so I've opened my window and there's like construction and cars going by and all of this noise. So it's definitely a little bit of a disaster. Wow, 8 minutes. Good Lord. I thought I worked slower than this. So yeah, it's definitely very, very noisy out here, so apologies. But again, back to the glue. It's horrible. It's a bad glue. I don't get, like, it doesn't dry good. I can't stand it. I do not like it at all whatsoever. I'm using it to glue the backings onto some clay pins that I'm making. You guys might have seen them on Instagram by now. I'm not sure. As I'm filming this video, it's the day after I have started them for the first time, so you probably have seen them, but again, I'm not 100% sure. If you haven't seen them, they'll be up after this video. But yeah, again, I'm using the glue to put them on the back, and it smells so bad. It's literally giving me the world's worst migraine. It hurts so bad that it's hurting my teeth. That's how deep into my brain it is. I do not like it. It really is going to bother me. So I'm going to have to get different glue, especially because I have 51 backings. So that means I have a lot of stuff to get through, a lot of pins to make. And I am not looking forward to all of that glue, especially because it doesn't dry. So it just sits there and stinks the whole time. And I'm like, why are you doing this to me? I bought it because everybody says it's the greatest glue. Like, I think it was like 2016, which I should have been like, honestly, what's the word? A red flag. Because everything in 2016 was horrible. 2016 was an awful year, so I shouldn't have been basing my knowledge off of something that I learned in that year. But it feels like every crafty YouTuber was like, yeah, just get some E6000, pop it on there, it's great, it sticks so good. It doesn't stick so good, and it smells so bad. I cannot stress this enough. It smells so bad and it doesn't stick to anything. And I literally was freaking out because I kept trying to like glue, or not glue, I kept trying to stop gluing and it just kept exiting the tube even when I wasn't touching it. And I was like, why? Why is this happening? I don't understand what I'm doing wrong. I must be doing something. I have no idea, but I hate it. I hate it so much. Okay, so we're just going simple on the outfit now because we have only 5 minutes. I probably won't do line art because I don't think I'm gonna have time to do it. If I do, well, I forgot how dark this color is. So maybe I will do line art. We'll see. It depends on how thoroughly I get everything covered in the next 5 minutes. I'm still back to using my chisel nib. Oh, are you kidding? This marker's dying. I have an ink refill, so I'll probably refill it before we do the 1 minute, just because I don't think that's fair. It's literally dying. Oh god. This is a nightmare. Why does this always happen to me? I feel like on limited palette challenges or color-based challenges, I always end up, or not color-based challenges, time-based challenges, I always end up with something is wrong with one of my materials. A marker is dead or something like that. Like the Sharpie challenge, my purple was dead. The Colors of the Month Copic ones that I did all the way back in April, the blue that I had was dead. It's like, why? Why is this happening to me? I can never just sit and film a video without issue. Like, I sat down to film the Speed Paint to Chill for this month, and I broke my new tripod that I just bought, because I was trying to tighten it, and I tightened it too much, and it snapped, and I was like, are you joking? But yeah, that was definitely fun. I think I got a decent amount of the skin covered, despite the fact that the marker is dead. It's a little patchy, but like we have 4 minutes left, so maybe we just speed it up so that maybe we could potentially get some line art going in there. The rest of them, this is the wrong color. I meant to grab R20, but that's fine. I think this will work. It'll just be considerably more neon than I wanted it to be, but again, that's fine. I love this color because like when it first goes down, it looks like it's very corally, and then it just dries to like this striking like purpley pink. I literally love it so much. It's so weird like watching the color change, and it does it so fast too. It's such a bright pigment. Like even these two next to each other, it looks insane. I love this marker so much. I don't use it that often just because it is like a very striking color, but I figured for something like this, it would be nice to grab something bright like that because it would bring some interest in, and also we're getting really close to spring, so I thought it would be a good time to add some more spring into my stuff. Okay. I think we're pretty good on time. I should be able to slap some line art onto this if I don't take too long with the hair. I always have to twist the nib because I get anxious that I'm like using one side for too long and then it's gonna just stay like this forever. Also, another thing when you're doing like challenges like these where they're like timed and you're getting stressed out, make sure to stretch your little wrist. I know it's stressful, but you literally, I'm so bad at not using my arm when I draw. Like even right now, I'm using my wrist because I'm so used to it. My teachers in high school really tried to get me out of that habit, but I could not. I don't know why I'm so insistent on drawing with my wrist and not my arm. But if you're one of those people that is like me and draws with your wrist and not your arm, like you're supposed to, you need to stretch or you're gonna hurt yourself. I've been cutting stickers for the store today, and they're very tiny and they hurt my hands. And then doing challenges like these on top just makes my hands die, and you need to take care of yourself because it's important. Okay. almost done. I am just getting real messy around the ears for whatever reason. Okay, we've got about 1 minute left, so I'm gonna shake my hand out so I don't die. And then I'm gonna try to put some line art. It will not be nice or good. I have 59 seconds to go. Oh, that's so shaky. It doesn't help that I don't normally do line art, for sure. I'm trying to do it more often because you guys know I like to mix it with my watercolor pencils. I don't know what brand they are because I bought them at Walmart and they were like $5 and they're such good quality. But I don't have the packaging. I have no idea what brand they are. They've fallen off the face of the earth. I can't find them on Walmart's website. What is that? So yeah, it's really a nightmare. I really wish I could find them, but I'm running out of the favorite pencil that I like to use for almost all of my skin tones to mix it and make it look very nice and natural. 10 seconds. Ear. Yeah. Boom. Let's add a highlight. Heck yeah. So, here's what we managed to make in the 10 minutes. I think I probably would have been able to get more detail in had I drawn smaller. I don't normally draw this big. I don't know why I did that for this specific challenge. Of course, the one where I need as much time as possible. I decided to draw something big with a marker that's dead because I'm a fool. But I do think it came out decent enough for something that took me 10 minutes. The line art is definitely it leaves something to be desired. And also now that I'm looking at the color palette on her, she sort of is giving me a little bit Dora the Explorer vibes, but that's okay because she's got green eyes, so I can say that it is different. But she definitely does look like Dora. I'm like tempted to slap a purple backpack on her. But yeah, so this is the 10-minute illustration, and we are going to get straight into the 1-minute illustration. I'm gonna try to draw smaller for this one. I don't know if that's cheating, but I'm gonna try to do that because we have 1 minute and I have to color and do all these things. So that's what we're gonna do. I said I was gonna try to draw smaller. Did I do that? I surely did not. Okay, oh god. I'm stressed. Okay, hair. I'm just trying to get as many base features on as I can, and then hopefully, if I have time, I can get line art on there and fix it. Oh my god. I need to get some soil some pebbles for my plants because I have like those stupid little like plant gnats and I have like fresh plants in my bedroom. So they like to bother me literally all of the time and it's so annoying and I have 30 seconds. Oh god. Remember when I said I was gonna fill my marker? I forgot. In literally minutes, I forgot that it was this dead. So that's great. If I get most of the colors down, I'll be happy. Where's the brown? Well, I got them all down with seconds to spare, of course, because my brown was for some reason on the other side. I did not get line art, which is unfortunate because this does look a little, oh my gosh, can you stop snapping? This does look a little bit like a nightmare, but I did get all the colors down in 1 minute, so I am very happy about that. Now do I have another page? Ooh! Oh wait, that's not spoilers. You guys saw this last week. There's the lighting study again. Do you like it? Anyways, go back to my timers. I'm officially out of pages on this sketchbook. Actually, I meant to buy one yesterday when we were at the store, when I was buying stuff for my stickers, and I forgot because I'm a fool yet again. So I'm just gonna do the 10-second one, very tiny, right here on this same paper, and pray that we get some stuff on there. This is scary. Okay, 10 seconds. Oh god, it's over so fast before it's like even started. I feel like it's over. Oh god. Really? on. Okay. So there was 10 seconds. I'm so mad. My lead really decided to snap when I had 10 seconds. It was like totally fine throughout this illustration until I tried to write 1 minute and everything else. But when I need time, snaps. And then it wouldn't come out. I kept trying to pop it out and it just kept smushing back in. So that's annoying. I really wanted to see if I could get even the slightest bit of color on 10 seconds. Curse you, pencil. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this challenge. It was definitely a mess, and it was definitely different for the channel, but I hope it was enjoyable for you guys to watch. Let me know, do you guys like it better than the 10-minute challenge that I did digitally? Do you think I did better on this one? Do you think I did worse? Yeah, let me know, because I'm very intrigued to see what you guys think about that. Speaking of thinking about things, if you would like to perhaps think about looking at my Patreon, as you guys have probably already heard or seen, I'm thinking of adding stickers and prints to my Patreon rewards. Stickers should be already up in the store by now. If not, they will be up very, very soon. I hope that you guys like the stickers. You guys did say you wanted to see them on Instagram, and I do have a little plan for some more stickers and prints come spring and summer. I'm hoping to have them up by March, mid-March, early March, I'm not sure. But I do have some springy, summery illustrations that I'm very excited for. I'm also adding clay pins and stuff. I don't know if pins are going to be part of the Patreon rewards, but if I can make a lot of them and if you guys end up liking them, then they may also be part of the rewards. But for the most part, yeah, it's just going to be pins and stickers from what I know of. So if you're interested in getting free pins and stickers and a ton of other stuff like tiled wallpapers, illustrated wallpapers, commission discounts, all that sort of thing, be sure to go check out my Patreon at patreon.com/SimonAESArts, or check out the links in the description. It will be linked there as well, or if you're frequent on my Instagram, it's in my link tree. Thank you guys so much for checking me out and checking out this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I want to give a big shout out to my patron, Elise Thompson, for continuing to support me every single month. You're literally the best. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys next Thursday. Bye.